Architecture students don't actually run out of creativity. We run out of mental capacity before our ideas can even form.
We're not tired because we're lazy. We're tired because our brains never get the chance to think clearly.
The reality is that architecture school throws a lot at us, and that's something we can't escape. One minute we're doing site analysis, and then you're trying to come up with a concept, organizing all your desk create feedbacks while trying to find new ways to respond to them week after week. And it's a lot of different hats for one brain.
And when your brain is already overloaded, concept formation is almost impossible because you can't process.
So, in this 5-step AI-assisted workflow we use this semester, we're going to use AI to remove mental clutter so we can design with a fresh and focused mind.
So in this workflow, we are using AI to remove mental clutter so we can design with a fresh and focused mind.
Next, we turn research into meaning. For example, I uploaded some observations that stuck out to me in my site analysis into ChatGPT and prompted it to convert my findings in a table with different categories as shown. From this, I realized the informal shortcut used by the elderly becomes a formalized community path, something I can design for, and this triggers the start of my exploration.
After desk crits, don't just keep vague notes. Paste them into AI and say, turn this feedback into a task list sorted by critical, important, optional, and add clarifying questions. This converts emotional confusion into objective steps, which save days, not hours.
We often tend to jump into forms, and that's when we get stuck, speaking from experience.
So what I did was to use AI to find logic in my design intention and narrative. From the same table, I chose one idea I was interested in and prompted AI to suggest 3 possible strategies and gave specifics of what I wanted to focus on. From this, I was able to have a clearer direction with more intention, in which later I was able to derive my concept as AI helped to uncover a logic that I wasn't aware of.
Before you commit, test your ideas using personas. Paste a short concept paragraph and say, evaluate this from elderly user, wheelchair user, engineer, environmental activist, and local residents.
So, when you put all these steps together, the workflow becomes clearer because there's no longer mental chaos from information overload. It should become a loop where you can follow to give your brain more space for design.
No, AI will never replace your creativity, but it can help you unlock it by helping you think clearly, deeply, and intentionally. So sleep more, think deeper, and design with clarity.